Hi. For my KNIME challenge project, I found a video on YouTube called Building a Basic Model for Churn Prediction with KNIME. It's on the KNIME TV channel. I watched that, and I also found it's not mentioned in the video, but I found on the example server the corresponding churn prediction folder with the data set and sample workflows. You can copy that to your local workspace like I did and play around with it. I created, after I got comfortable with the workflow and with using KNIME for churn prediction, I searched the web and downloaded some churn related data sets and tried out some different variations on this workflow to see how accurate we could predict churn. So I'll just walk you through the basic steps or nodes in this workflow or these workflows. The file reader is the input for the data file, and in my case I used all CSV files. The number to string node, it basically is it will take certain columns you have that aren't really numeric and convert it to a string for better processing. In this case, we use the churn column to as a nominal attribute and assign colors to it. If they churned, it would be red. If it didn't churn, it was green. And you can see the colored data set, the table with the colors indicated based on the churn column. Right. Next, we partition the data in an 80-20 split using stratified sampling based on the churn column. And for the data set aside for testing, I applied this equal size sampling based on the churn column. I used some different learner nodes. There are several in the node repository. The decision tree learner seemed to work best with most of my data sets, and that's the one demonstrated in the KNIME TV video. In the configuration, you choose the class column. You can choose a quality measure, pruning method, and different options for pruning and tuning. Yeah, and then the decision tree or the predictor node, you basically set that how to take the model that's generated from the learner and apply it to the test. And I'll just show you quickly. You can have a view of the decision tree that it generates here. See the initial split, and then expand it, collapse it some more to see the full tree. And then so the scorer, you can view the confusion matrix with predictions against the actual, and then go into the accuracy statistics and see how the model performed on the test set, about 85%. In the video, their workflow scored about 93%, but on my data sets, even the data they supplied with their workflow, I wasn't able to achieve anything better than 88%, which is still pretty solid. But I really enjoyed playing with KNIME, and I look forward to using it in my class project, and also to any comments, tips, suggestions, insights the rest of the class may have. Thanks for watching. Bye.